the human heart. It's iconic. Poets write about it, songwriters sing about it, and cardiologists peer at it through ultrasound machines. One heart, 4 chambers. That's the standard contract for life on Earth, right? Well, not exactly. In the small print of Mother Nature's design catalog, there are a few species that decided one heart simply wasn't enough. It was frankly a bit amateurish. Today, we're meeting 7 animals that took redundancy to a whole new level by evolving more than one heart, from the 3-heart wonders you know and love, to a creature that is basically a swimming slime factory with 5 extra pumps. Let's dive into the wonderfully weird circulatory clubs of the animal kingdom. Number 1. We have to start with the poster child of multi-heartedness, the octopus. If evolution gave out medals for unconventional anatomy, the octopus would need a very large trophy case. It has 3 full-blown cardiac pumps. One main systemic heart pushes oxygen-rich blood out to the body. The other 2 are branchial hearts with a very specific, unglamorous job. They pump blood exclusively over the gills. It's a brilliant piece of engineering. Gills are delicate, so the octopus prefers to push blood through them gently, then let the muscular systemic heart kick things up a notch for that active 8-armed lifestyle. But here's the strange part. That systemic heart actually stops beating when the animal swims. Imagine going for a jog and your heart decides to take a coffee break. To top it off, its blood is blue, thanks to a copper-based protein called hemocyanin instead of our iron-based hemoglobin. 3 hearts, blue blood, and a pulse that goes on holiday. The octopus is a jet-propelled contradiction. Number 2. If the octopus is the market leader, the squid is the direct competitor that copied the same business model. Squids are also cephalopods with that identical 3-heart setup. 2 branchial hearts for the gills, 1 systemic heart for the body. This triple pump system is standard cephalopod hardware, but where the octopus is a solitary master of disguise, the squid is built for open water speed. That efficient oxygen-maximizing 3-heart system helps fuel its torpedo-like lifestyle. Different personalities, same excellent plumber. Number 3. Completing the cephalopod trio is the cuttlefish. Yes, this master of instant disguise, skin that changes color, texture, and pattern in a fraction of a second, also runs on 3 hearts. Octopus, squid, and cuttlefish all belong to the class Cephalopoda, and for them a triple heart is as standard as a 4-chambered ticker is for mammals. The cuttlefish uses 2 hearts to push blood to the gills and 1 to circulate the oxygenated blood to its body. And yes, the blood is that signature cephalopod blue. So while this seagoing chameleon is busy hypnotizing prey with a pulsing light show, 3 little hearts are quietly keeping the whole production alive. Number 4. Now we leave the ocean floor for something much closer to home, the humble earthworm. If you've ever held one, you probably weren't thinking, what a complex cardiovascular masterpiece. But you should have been. Earthworms don't have a single centralized heart. Instead, they possess 5 pairs of muscular aortic arches that wrap around their esophagus. Think of them not as distinct hearts, but as a series of pulsing tubes working in a synchronized beautiful sequence to push blood from the back of the worm to the front. Zoologists call them pseudo-hearts, which is science's way of saying it's not a true heart, but it's doing the exact same job, so let's not split hairs. These arches sit in the 7th to 11th segments of the worm's body, forming a robust little pump station for a creature that essentially eats and recycles the planet beneath our feet. Number 5. I know what you're thinking. Do we really have to talk about the cockroach? I'm afraid we do. The cockroach has a genuinely fascinating and frankly over-engineered circulatory system. Its heart is a single long tube running along its back, segmented into 13 separate chambers. Each chamber fills and contracts, pushing the insect's blood called hemolymph in a steady wave from the rear towards the head. It's a beautifully fail-safe design. Because the chambers work in series, if one section gets damaged, the others can often keep the flow going. This is partly why cockroaches are so infamously resilient. You might see a stubborn pest. I see a 13-part hydraulic pump that evolution made practically indestructible. Respect the engineering. Number 6. Now we venture into the deep, dark, and frankly weird to meet the hagfish. This eel-shaped scavenger is often called the slimiest animal on the planet. It can produce a bucket load of mucus in under a second. But its real claim to fame is what's inside. The hagfish has a main systemic heart, but nature in a generous mood added 3 accessory pumps, a portal heart, a cardinal heart, and a caudal heart, bringing the total to 4. These extra pumps act as booster stations that help push blood back to the main heart. And here's the mind-bending detail. A hagfish's heart can keep beating for up to 36 hours without any oxygen at all. You could remove it, drop it in an oxygen-free container, and it would just keep pulsing, completely unfazed. A human heart deprived of oxygen suffers irreversible damage in minutes. This makes the hagfish heart intensely interesting to researchers trying to protect human hearts during surgery. A four-hearted, deep-sea slime monster might just hold the keys to a medical breakthrough. Number 7. We'll end with a creature that's been around for over 445 million years, quietly watching dinosaurs rise and fall and the smartphone get invented. The horseshoe crab, which by the way is not a crab at all. It's closer to spiders and scorpions. Its multi-heart claim is a bit different. It has a single long tubular heart segmented into multiple chambers, similar to the cockroach but in a completely different branch of the animal kingdom. This pulsating tube runs nearly the length of its body, efficiently pumping copper-based blue blood through a series of coordinated contractions. And its blood is a modern medical marvel. It contains a substance called limulus amoebocyte lysate, used worldwide to test vaccines and medical equipment for bacterial contamination. So this ancient, helmet-shaped mariner doesn't just have an unusual heart, its blood helps save millions of human lives every year. So, from the octopus with its 3 blue-blooded pumps to the hagfish with its oxygen-ignoring accessory hearts, nature reveals something important. Evolution doesn't follow a single blueprint. It's a tinkerer. Sometimes the solution is one giant heart. Other times, it's a series of pulsing tubes, a 13-chambered wonder, or a slimy 4-pump enigma in the deep. Having a big heart is impressive, but having multiple hearts, that's just showing off. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time with more strange science uncovered.